In our N8N deep dive, we covered 4 workflows that save hours every week. Today we're building the first one: live email to task. When an important email arrives, N8N reads it, Claude extracts the action items, a task gets created in Notion or Todoist, and you get a Slack confirmation. Setup time about 15 minutes. Time saved 20 to 30 minutes every single day. I'm walking you through every node, every connection, and every setting. Pause when you need to. By the end, you'll have a working workflow running on your account. Before we open N8N, gather 4 things. 1. An N8N account. Free cloud at N8N.io works perfectly. 2. A Gmail account with OAuth access. 3. A Claude API key from console.anthropic.com for either a Notion integration token or a Todoist account, plus Slack if you want confirmations. Don't have everything? Build it in stages. Gmail plus Claude plus a simple email back to yourself still saves massive time. Open N8N, click New Workflow, and name it Email to Task. That's our canvas. Step 1. The trigger. Click the plus button and search Gmail trigger. Connect your Google account when prompted, allow read access. Set the trigger to poll every minute, or 5 minutes if you want fewer API calls. Now add a filter. Under Filters, set Label to Inbox, or create a custom label like Action Required and filter on that. Pro tip: only automate emails you care about. Filter by sender domain, subject keywords, or a dedicated label you apply manually. This keeps your workflow fast and your task list clean. Hit Test step, you should see a real email payload appear in the output panel. Step 2. Filter and extract. Add an if node after Gmail. Condition: check if the email subject does not contain the word unsubscribe, and the sender is not a no-reply address. This blocks newsletters and automated junk. Next, add a set node to extract only what Claude needs. Map 3 fields: subject from the Gmail output, body from the plain text content, and sender from the From field. Strip HTML if needed using a quick code node, or use Gmail's text plain field directly. Clean input equals clean AI output. Test again: your set node should show a tidy JSON object with just those 3 fields. Step 3. Claude. Add an HTTP request node or use the Anthropic node if your N8N version has it. Method: post. URL: the Anthropic messages endpoint. Headers: content type application JSON, and your API key in XAPI key. Body: model Claude Sonnet 4, max tokens 500. Here's the prompt to paste: you are a task extraction assistant. Given the email below, return a JSON object with fields title, tasks as an array of strings, priority as high, medium, or low, and deadline if mentioned or null. Email subject, sender, body mapped from your set node. Parse the response with a JSON node. Test with a real email that has clear action items. You should see structured tasks, not a paragraph of fluff. Step 4. Create the task and notify. Add a Notion node, create database page. Connect your Notion integration, select your tasks database, and map the title from Claude's output. Put tasks in the body field as a bullet list. Set priority from Claude's priority field. No Notion? Use Todoist create task instead, same mapping. Finally, add Slack send message to yourself. Message template, new task from email, title, sender, priority, and a link to the Notion page. Connect the nodes in order: Gmail, if, set, Claude, JSON parse, Notion, Slack. Hit execute workflow with a test email waiting in your inbox. Watch each node turn green. That's your automation live. Troubleshooting quick hits. Node turns red? Click it and read the error: 90% of issues are OAuth expired or wrong field mapping. Claude returns Markdown instead of JSON? Add this to your prompt: respond with raw JSON only, no backticks. Gmail trigger not firing? Check your label filter and polling interval. Workflow too slow? Reduce polling to 5 minutes and filter aggressively. Once it's stable, activate the workflow toggle in the top right that switches from test mode to production. Your action plan: build this today with one label filter, run it for 7 days, count tasks created. Next up, we're building the Research Digest workflow, the one that pairs with your Claude prompts. Subscribe if you want more step-by-step automation builds.